Okay, I start so well. Okay. Can you cut that though?
I can cut any part you want.
I love you. Hello, my name is Audrey Delaney. No, it's still too far. My name is Audrey Delaney. I'm 22 years old and I live in Quebec, Canada. The reason why I want to go to China is also because I like to know more new culture and also experiment people, food, people, way of living, and also different mentality. And I like to see new horizon, new places, new historical sites. So that's one of the reasons I want to go to China. The other reason I wanted to go to China is also I love teaching. I love teaching new things, not only English, but also other things like how to socialize and how to love what I love. And also I love children. I love being with them and I love interacting with them. I love people in general, and I feel like it will be a great experience to be in China and experience new things, and also it will broaden my area of new experience.
Here are the 3 fun facts about me. Phew. First fun fact about me is that I'm a French Canadian. And a French Canadian is someone who lives in Quebec and their ancestors are from France.
Bonjour, comment ça va? J'ai grandi dans une famille vraiment formidable. Mes parents, quand j'étais petite, m'ont beaucoup appris sur la vie, sur l'indépendance, et aussi ils m'ont beaucoup appris sur comment être plus sociale avec les gens. En étant jeune, j'aimais beaucoup la danse, j'aimais beaucoup sortir aussi avec mes amis, et puis sortir aussi avec ma famille dans des réunions. Les Canadiens français, ils sont vraiment des gens qui aiment beaucoup les autres, qui aiment beaucoup socialiser, qui aiment beaucoup connaître d'autres choses différentes, les cultures, puis ils sont vraiment très famille.
So the second fun fact about me is that I travel a lot. Like you can see here, I collected a lot of souvenirs from where I travel. I traveled to Europe and to the US, of course, it's next to Canada, and also Mexico and Japan. This year I traveled to Japan and I wish to travel to China as well. Like I said, I really love traveling. Traveling is one of my great passions because I really love to know more culture and also taste more food. I really like seeing historical monument and dress up in cultural costume, and it's really interesting even to talk to people. Like you can see, I really like food. I like different type of food when I travel. I really like to try different type of restaurants, especially local restaurants. So yes, obviously, I really like food. As a foodie, I obviously love to cook. So when I cook, I try to do some variation in what I cook. So sometimes I cook Mexican, sometimes I cook, let's say, Indian. And most of the time I cook traditional food, and also I feel it's very important to show a culture through food. Whenever I go to my friend's house, I always try to show them how to cook traditional food, and usually they really like it. They're also foodies.